Okay, you. Introduce yourself. Me? Sureness. Hi, everybody. My name is Bernardo Nicolo Salve. Louder.
I'm Bernardo Nicolo Sabroso, but you can call me...
Bernice! Hello, guys! I am Betty Maxine, or you can call me Betty Max for short. Hi, guys! I am Vanessa. Huwag na kayong tumawa!
So baby, let's just turn on the lights.
Listen, baby, I know it's a bad girl.
Hey girlfriends! Welcome to MS Masinag 3-day sale!
What? Stop kayo naman po! Nakakahiya. Wala kasi akong makeup eh. I prefer natural look lang kasi.
Then close the door! Ay, ang galing mo talaga, nak! Manang-mana ka talaga kay mama, oy! Mamaya ipopost ko to sa social media.
Uy, ka na!
Baka!
May iPhone nga ako sa bahay. Di lang pinapadala ni mama dito. Okay, thank you. You may now take your seat. Ay, okay lang po. Sure. Siguro favorite hobby ko is playing mobile games with boys. Kasi if you know, less drama.
Alam nyo guys, gusto ko rin naman maging gwapo kahit isang araw. Kasi pag araw-araw nakakapagod yun. Shucks naman, di ba? Oh, come on.
So I said, let's enjoy this school year and let's live our life to the forest.
Ano? Monkey?
Siguro kilala niyo naman na ako. I am Jessa Di Maculangan, your trustworthy and responsible leader. At your service this academic school year. Thank you. You may now take your seat. Thank you, ma'am.